Our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, do you know what he said about this surah? He said, I swear by Allah, this surah is equal to 1/3 of the Quran. إِنَّهَا لَتَعْدِلُ ثُلُثَ الْقُرْآن. Now what does it mean it equals 1/3 of the Quran? It doesn't mean that if you just recite this surah 3 times, you don't need the rest of the Quran. No, it means in blessings, in reward, it is equal to 1/3 of the Quran. Obviously, in meaning, every ayah has a beautiful meaning that no other ayah has. And no one ayah can substitute for another. But in blessings, Surah Ikhlas, this small surah, it will give you the blessings of 1/3 of the Quran. And this is because our scholars say the Quran is divided into 3 primary areas or contents. 1/3 of the Quran deals with Allah and His names and attributes. Who is Allah? And that is summarized in Surah Ikhlas. 1/3 of the Quran deals with the laws, the halal, the haram, eating and drinking, prayer, zakah, Ramadan. That's 1/3 of the Quran. And then 1/3 of the Quran, it deals with heaven and hell and the stories of the prophets. And therefore, 1/3 is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, 1/3 is the laws, and 1/3 is the qasas of the past and the future, which is heaven and hell, and the stories of the previous prophets. So Surah Al-Ikhlas, it substitutes for 1/3 of the meaning of the Quran.